Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. It is post Milton on a Sunday up here at work. I need to get back to printing, but wanted to do a short overview video on my topographic map overlay for your fuel door. I probably will come back and do this in an American flag as well, and some other designs. Basically, once I have the template, I can pretty much do a bunch of different designs on there. Just leave comments in the comment section or contact us directly, and we'll see if we can get some of those popular ones knocked out. Just bring me your ideas. This is black printed on clear, so these lines right here, these contour lines, are not actually white. They are filled in with the body paint color. So if you had trail dust or if you had that heritage blue color, it would fill in those lines and it'd be a perfect paint match. I always do these in matte to give it just a little different appearance. If your vehicle is really dark, like a black, I can also take custom requests to fill that in with different colors as well. I will have on the product page an installation on a Ford Bronco, pretty much the same idea. You want to clean all of this off with a detail spray that doesn't leave any wax. When you start off your install, be sure to pop that open. And when I told you to clean it off, you need to clean all of these edges as well, all the way around on the inside. You want the temperature to be above 70 degrees, and you want to do this in the shade. The sun's coming down from that side, so I had this vehicle in the shade on this side. If you do it in the sun, the vinyl will become very soft and it'll stretch really easily, and these templates are custom, so they're meant to fit this area perfectly. This does look like one big rectangle with rounded edges, but the actual template is a little different than that. You can see here on this new piece that I have an arrow that points up to let you know the orientation. It will look exactly like this photo, so if you have photographic memory, remember this circle with all the lines coming out right there, this circle with less lines on the right side. You will also want to spray down the back of this with our Sticker Fab application fluid, and then you can take a felt tip squeegee like this and push out all that water. Be gentle as you're pushing out. You can also use your fingers to push out that water. The areas where it might bind up a little bit is right in this area. And then eventually you're going to have to come back with heat. I'm using this portable heat gun, which is about as powerful as a hair dryer. My general rule of thumb, if it burns you, it's probably too hot for the vinyl. Spray it down, lay it down, get as much water out as you can, and then you'll need to use heat to heat up these areas. That dries it out and activates that adhesive, and then you'll want to just roll your fingers along the edge until it sticks. If you guys want to purchase this, go to our website at stickerfab.com. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest things we're coming out with for the 2024 and up Toyota Land Cruiser.